Now we're going to have a look at using a bag valve mask, or BVM. With the use of a BVM and oxygen, we're going to give the patient approximately a 95% pure oxygen flush. Using the mask is important that you do it correctly. We use a technique called the anesthetist grip. 2 fingers onto the mask itself, one at the top and one at the bottom. 1 hand onto the bag itself underneath the holding strap, and 3 fingers remain free flowing in the air. The mask is then placed onto the nose and face, covering both the airway and the nose at the same time. The 3 fingers link onto the jawbone, and then the head is rolled back, opening the airway, and the 2 top fingers press down, giving you a good seal with the mask to the face. The bag is then squeezed using a nice gentle pressure for approximately 1 second per breath, maximum of 2 breaths, and we look for the chest rise and fall, and we feel for any strange sensations, noises, gurgling or bubbling whilst squeezing the bag. This will indicate still problems with the airway, either the tongue or fluids still in the airway, occluding the flow of oxygen. So the bag and mask also becomes your eyes and ears whilst being used. If you feel any strange sensations, bubble or gurgle, or if the bag doesn't inflate properly when we squeeze, then we start to look at the airway again, because there is still an occlusion somewhere.